Hey guys, in this video we are going to go over, is TikTok free? And first what we'll do is open up App Store here, and then we'll just search for TikTok here. And I will show you on here why it's sort of free. So if you go here and if you haven't downloaded TikTok before, you'll see the option to install TikTok. The thing is to install TikTok is completely free. You can get the app and you can use it. You can post videos and that's completely free. However, there is a portion that is not free. So if you go down here, you see in-app purchases, yes. And it shows you the cost for various coins, 100 coins, 2,000 coins, 500 coins. And what this is, you can use coins on TikTok to buy emojis. You buy it with real money, and then you can gift them to people. It's a way of kind of saying thank you to various people. This is a common thing that they've used in a lot of various apps. You can it's called a freemium model. It's free, but you can also have in-app purchases, so TikTok can make a little bit of money. But the biggest thing is TikTok makes their money on advertising. So they really don't need to get money from you, the user, because the more users on there, the more advertisers pay to advertise on TikTok. So in summation, yes, it is free. You can use it completely and never pay a cent on TikTok. You can, have videos and post videos and go viral without paying a cent. So it is completely free, but there are options to spend some money on the app. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.